So good morning everyone, especially to you mom, good morning. The title of my story is The Very Hungry Caterpillar. And the author is Eric Carle, and the main character is Caterpillar. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up, and popped out of the egg came a tiny and a very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some foods. He ate his way through a variety from apple to cheese, but remains unsatisfied. And he then ate his way to a whole cake, a pickle, and a sausage, even a piece of watermelon. However, all this eating gave him a terrible stomach ache. And I want you to read the story because you can learn how the importance of patience and waiting for the right thing in life.